Hey everybody, it's Bunny Vlogs Bunny here. Today we're playing Minecraft with the Nether. Now, I have a background because I can't put this in full screen. So don't mind this top one, okay? Don't mind this top one. Here we go. Let's go back in this one because that was one we did last time, right? Correct? Alright. So guys, I am very excited for today's video because not today, but someday I will make a Fortnite video. Alright, so this is the one. Okay. Alright, let's just quickly make our escape plan. Okay, there we go. Now, here's our house. So we gotta get some wood to make a crafting table. Alright, let's just plant some of these. And yeah, I think we're good. So let's just. I feel really shy with the music now. Alright. I don't know, guys. My Minecraft is glitching out, as you can see. Let's just grab some. Here we go. Perfecto. Alright, I gotta change something. Alright, let's, I was thinking about if I could mine, I kinda need some. My only food source right now. Alright, let's plant that. So guys, so you're gonna need to get some coal, you know? Because you can never have too much coal. Right now I need a lot of coal because I have 0. Guys, so what I want you to do today is comment down in the section below what if you want me to continue making Minecraft videos or if you just want to see more. I'll put like a question, so make sure to go see that in my iCards. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 I see a skeleton. I saw a skeleton. My only way out is to digging. Oh, I got him. Oh no, he got me. I'm just gonna real quickly make this. Alright, I gotta make this. I ain't scared of you, Mr. Skeleton. Can't hide from me. Mr. Skeleton, you're not gonna get away with this. Not gonna get away with this. I got you, haha. You almost are going to die. Woohoo! I killed him. Let's grab me some bones and let's make it safe. You're coming with me, crafting table. Wait a minute. Alright, there we go. Now you're coming with me. I'll come to this cave later. Woo, okay. Oh no! Alright, okay, let's go. Oh, I don't like the music here. Alright, guys. Hold on. So, guys, I just went down to mine some more, and I just fire. Maybe there's some fire near here. I don't know. No, 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 no. Not my house. No! What? Not the trees, not the anything. I can't make a whole new house. Wait, what caused this? There's no lava near here. Oh my gosh, guys. Just to think, if I never actually went to go freaking mining, this would have never happened. I just got back from mining and I gotta see what's near here. There's no forest fires, nothing. Well, I'm just going to make a quick dog. Oh, I got 2 dogs. Woo. Okay, come on. I'm gonna have to sniff out whoever caused this fire, cause guys, I just like, guys, I'm gonna have to end this video here. Where's my other dog? Dog. Dog. There you are. Let's sit you down. I'm gonna have to end this video here, guys. If you liked it, please enjoy. But guys, my house caught on fire, not clickbait. Someone destroyed my house. Someone. So I'm gonna have to end this video here. See you guys in the next video. Bye.